naga jingdan ya jing tumu ban pen klain shu ya board pulet ki ban la ban te lakam ya jing jelai udrak ha ni gejela u menteri rang ba gejela u konrat ke sangma ha ka khat nyu trik no pra arhaja arpusau u la ple pat ba ya anti narcotic task force ANTF ha police station ha MPRO office building kabran ha golfling shillong ha ni gisngi na lor menteri rang ba gejela layawan mani shimben talang no ba polling do u menteri ketanat social welfare uba Preston Tinsong usembut menteri rang ba kejela ka Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo menteri ketanat ka kwat kekhia ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang Director General of Police kejela ujakpal Singh Dhanwa SP ke ANTF na lor kiwe haba ajing kren hakani gisngi u menteri rang ba kejela ulong mawat la gani ka police station kalong ka beret henry ka jingile persha jangkaya u drugs kanong ka bakra bat ban bin rap ru bakalong ka badan kam bandan ka jinge trailang na boro kiliang banile persha yu new jingdi u basnio na lor ka ta u laong ru man pin diknai ka jingya bet yat anti kani ka police station ula pin bana bo un pin long ka jingelang bishar banya man ka por hapo ka dream coordination committee ka ban khli hi damu u ban put dien halor ki kam.
This particular police station may look very simple, may look very small for now, but the impact that this will have on the overall situation and the fight or the war against drugs that we are having is going to be huge. I must, at this point in time, congratulate our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, under whose leadership all of this has materialized, our DGP, Kong Ida, who has taken a lot of effort to ensure that this particular police station was completed on time, and the SP in charge, Sri Jakpal, for having taken the initiative to ensure that we were able to inaugurate this particular office, this particular police station before Christmas within this calendar year, which is what the target of the government was. Friends, as you're aware, the entire war and fight against drugs is something that we all are very, very concerned about. The kind of impact in society, especially the youth of our state, is having because of drugs and the usage of drugs is something that is very, very damaging for the society and especially the youth. Therefore, in the last many years, Government of Meghalaya at different levels through different departments has taken a number of steps to ensure that we are able to look at all aspects, from the supply to the distribution to the health concerns to the social aspect to rehabilitation and overall counseling for drug addicts also. Realizing that the fight against drugs is not just a single department's work, but a multiple departmental integrated collaboration or effort is required. And therefore, you'll be very happy to know that all the departments are working very closely. We have our Honorable Social Minister here, Social Welfare Minister here, our Honorable Health Minister here, the Home Minister, and obviously there is a purpose and a reason why the three departments are present while we are opening or inaugurating this police station, because all these departments have a very, very important role to play. This particular police station, as mentioned earlier, maybe all the details were not given, but this will function as a hub and the main center point from which coordination and monitoring will take place from the police side. Apart from the SP in charge, there will be additional SP, there will be inspectors, sub-inspectors, constables, all the logistical support will be given to them. all the different IT support that is required will be given to them, and the coordination between this police station as well as the different departments will also happen from here. And this, as I said, is a very, very important part of the fight against drugs, because this is where we will actually be able to hit the supply as well as the distribution network that is there, which is very, very crucial for us to ensure that we are able to win this particular war against drugs. As mentioned, apart from the police and apart from what this police station will do and the anti-narcotics task force will do, the social welfare and the health department also are revamping and re-looking into the different strategies that are required from the health area, health concerns that are there, also from the social welfare side, where we are ensuring that the community is involved, the different villages are involved, and localities are involved, so that we can have rehabilitation programs at the grassroots level, awareness programs at the grassroots level. And as mentioned, this cannot be done by just the government alone. We need to fight together. We need to work together. It is not just the government, not just the police, but the society as a whole has to do it. So therefore, this is also an important moment for me to appeal to all our citizens, to appeal to all our leaders, to appeal to the community, that if we have to win this war against drugs, we must work together. We must support each other. Government will give infrastructure as well as running expenditure, but until and unless we all come together, we will not be able to win this particular war. The larger message that all the departments and all the ministers are together is what we want to give, and that's why we are all present out here today. I also want to share with you that these meetings for the assessment and overall coordination between departments will be taking place very regularly. So while the police department will continue to do its work, the social welfare and the health department and the police, of course, through the DREAM project and the DREAM mission and the DREAM coordination committee, which is headed by the Chief Minister, will be reviewing regularly, if not on a monthly basis, once in 2 months. The reviews will take place to ensure that proper coordination is done. As you're aware that all the sectors are critical for us, and therefore it is important that regular meetings, monitoring and coordination takes place.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.